Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cute hat combo in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this hat, this pink hat, and then we're going to go to the hat area right here, and you can wear this one and also this one. And wait, I'm going to change my hairstyle. I'm just going to choose only bangs. Okay, and now it's time to match the color. I'm just going to make it white like this. You can make it white for all the items except the ribbon. Let's move to this hat, and then I'm going to make it white. And for the ribbon, I'm going to color it purple, which is suitable for my outfit. Okay, and this is the final result, guys. I'm going to show you the detail. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this cute hat combo in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!